I'm just going to finish off today. I've just got a lump of clay left, £6 ball. Just going to make a big vase, tallish sort of vase, so we'll get on, see how it gets on. Different sort of angle to usual. Quite hard this clay, so it's not ideal for making bigger stuff, but in theory I should be able to get it bigger because the clay's harder. I'm just going to open it up, go up to within maybe a third of an inch of the base, so it's not too thin at the base. Compress it. It is hard, boy. I'm just going to use a little sort of lift with that handle the outside, just to get a little bit of this heavy stuff up from the bottom. Keep squeezing it in so it's narrower at the base and doesn't get flared at the top. I'll do a bit of a knuckle lift first, which means sticking these, you can't see it from that side, but you'll be able to see what this hand does perhaps. No, you won't because that's inside, but anyway, using these knuckles, I'm going to grab some clay from the inside and then pull up. You can be quite, you know, you can really get some clay up like this quickly. That's the first lift. Slow my wheel right down now. And just keep it collared in. Keep narrowing it in as you go. It's a little bit wide at the base, so I'll try and squeeze it in. It might go a bit off centre now. You can always straighten her up. We'll do another knuckle lift, try and get a little bit more height to it before I start to shape it. We'll try and give it a bit of a shape now. It'll take a while to. I'm just going to squeeze in at the bottom, try and get it a bit narrower. And just pushing from the inside out with my hands. I'm just going to try and form the shape. I want quite a high shoulder on it, so I'll push it out more at the top. That's too bad. Just hollow in the top bit and then make this. Just chop that bit of excess off. It's a little bit uneven at the top. Just using my needle. It's fallen off. Come on. So that's narrowed in now, so I'm going to put a bit of a step in there, that tends to support the clay, and I'll just lift this top bit up. Flare it over. Final bit. Just give it one last final bit of a shape from the inside out. Just try and widen it out a little bit more. Bring the shoulder up a little bit higher. And that's about it. So that's a £6 piece of clay. That's what, probably about 18 inches tall maybe. Just mop it out. Final sponge off. So that's it done. £6 vase. Don't know how tall it is. Alright, that's it folks.